Good morning. My name is Al Spiegel. I'm one of the partners here at McLario, Helm, Bertling, and Spiegel. Happy Friday. We are continuing our series of answering frequently asked estate planning questions. And today we're going to talk about charities. Namely, should charities be included in your estate plan? And the answer, which might not surprise you, is absolutely yes. Now, we all have different priorities and different situations, but at some level, some contingency in our estate plan we should all provide for charities for a couple of reasons. First of all, there are significant tax benefits to including charities in our estate plan. For example, if you were to give $100,000 in a traditional IRA to an individual beneficiary, that beneficiary is going to have to pay income tax on that IRA money as they take it out over 5 or 10 years. If you give that same $100,000 to a charity, they get all of the money tax-free. So instead of actually giving your individual beneficiary $75,000 or $80,000, you can actually give a charitable beneficiary $100,000. In essence, you're expanding your estate by choosing to include charities. The second reason is it allows you to leave a legacy and have some opportunity to show the people that you've left behind what was important to you. A lot of people feel almost this guilt obligation to leave everything they own equally to their children. And while that is a noble thought, many of the children who have this equal share being left to them are in their 50s or 60s and are long since financially secure because the parent has done such a nice job of preparing them for adulthood and financial management. As an alternative to equally dividing your estate among child beneficiaries who don't need that level of money, I would propose that at least you discuss with your children the fact that you're considering including charities in your estate plan. What will most likely surprise most people is that their children are going to be overwhelmingly supportive of their decision to include charities. And then finally, the last reason to include charitable beneficiaries in your estate plan is for the simplicity of your estate plan. In many cases, disputes happen, expenses happen because of confusion between beneficiaries over how things are to be structured. When again, in essence, those beneficiaries don't need the money they're receiving, and the money is simply a way for them to work out whatever issues they had between themselves during your life. Charities aren't like that. Charities are gracious. They appreciate the gifts that you receive, and it allows them to use those gifts for the greater good in your memory after you're gone, whether they recognize your memory or not, which can also be worked out with them. So, short answer, yes, charities should be included in your estate plan, and I highly encourage you to do so. Thanks, have a great weekend, and we'll be back next week with a couple more answers to commonly asked estate planning questions. Take care.